The reality is that all industries can benefit when they go paperless, whether it's healthcare, legal, construction, education, or even government offices. They are all digitizing to improve efficiency and compliance. Carol's company wanted to improve efficiency. Now there was no panicked searches, no printer tantrums, no mountain of paper documents. And now that we have debunked the myths, we can dive deeper into the realities. So why do companies go paperless? Here are 7 top reasons why companies go paperless. 1, to automate a manual task. 2, to improve productivity. 3, to improve compliance. 4, to improve collaboration. 5, to reduce costs. 6, to minimize risks. And 7, to increase agility. Let's look into these one by one. 1, automate manual tasks. When paper forms are eliminated, manual data entry is also eliminated. Data is automatically captured from the source system. There's no need for re-entry of the data. Manual calculations are also eliminated. Information flows automatically throughout the organization. Integration with the existing systems such as ERP and CRM is encouraged. Number 2, improves productivity. All records are automatically logged. No version control issues. Records are available when you need them. This improves productivity. Employees spend 30% of their time searching for information, which can be reduced when a company goes paperless. Duplication is eliminated, increasing productivity. Number 3, it improves compliance. To fulfill the cycle, it becomes faster. HR and IT processes become efficient. All audit requirements are met, and this improves compliance. Number 4, this improves collaboration. Going paperless improves collaboration. The latest document is always available and easily accessible. Number 5, reduces costs. Going paperless reduces costs by saving on printing, paper, ink, storage, mailing costs, and people costs. Number 6, risk is also minimized. Important information is no longer left behind or lost. There is version history and an audit trail. Number 7, increases agility. Going paperless will increase agility by allowing your team to focus on strategic work, differentiating you from the others by responding faster to changing customer needs and adapting faster to market changes. With understanding of the benefits, what does the journey look like? The journey can be broken down into 4 phases. Phase 1, analyze and plan. Do an information inventory. Identify the paper process and where there are major flaws. Prioritize based on impact and effort. Set goals and metrics. Build your business case. Get leadership commitment. Secure resources and determine your technological requirements. Phase 2, implement. Digitize your high-impact paper processes. Document and automate workflows, onboard users, train users, and provide ongoing support. Phase 3, expand. Digitize your semi-structured documents. Manage contracts, manage knowledge, capture and share best practices. Phase 4, innovate. Digitize your unstructured documents. Manage emails, instant messages, file shares, and leverage AI and other advanced technologies. If you made it to this part of the video, I'm sure you will succeed in this journey just as Carol did. They reclaimed their time, their sanity, and their focus. Guess what? You can too. If you want to learn more, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And you can also join us in our free workshop waitlist to go digital the right way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.